Hello everyone. Welcome to the video. Today I'm gonna show you how to re-enable the alt key codes. I'll give you an example. I've had this problem for a while and I couldn't find a fix for it. I've seen I researched the problem. I looked for so many solutions and couldn't figure it out. So alt key codes is when you hold your alt key on your keyboard, your left alt key, and you type these special codes with the numpad. For example, if you want a heart like this, you hold alt and press 3. This is the main problem. So basically all you need to do is to go to region settings. Go to additional time region. Okay, so basically control panel, plug in region, then you go to region, administrative, and then you go to change system local, this option right here, and you uncheck this feature. It says beta use Unicode UTF-8 for worldwide language support. You uncheck this thing, you uncheck it. If you have it checked, you just uncheck it and leave it like this. And so basically, just press OK, apply OK, then you restart your computer. It will automatically ask you to restart your computer. And after you've done that, you will be able to use the alt key codes again, using alt and the numpads, whatever number you type in, it doesn't matter. Anyway, I hope I helped you fix this problem. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.